Welcome to English class. Improve your English speaking skills.
How are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you.
What did you do this weekend?
I went hiking with friends.
Where did you go? Hiking?
We explored a trail in the mountains.
Did you enjoy it?
Yes, the views were spectacular.
Have you been hiking before?
Yes, I try to go whenever I can.
What's your favorite hiking spot?
There's a forest nearby that I love.
Do you go alone or with friends?
I usually go with friends for safety.
Have you ever been camping?
Yes, camping is one of my hobbies.
Where did you go camping?
We camped by a lake in the woods.
Was it cold at night?
It was chilly, but we had warm sleeping bags.
What's your favorite camping memory?
Sitting around the campfire, telling stories.
Do you enjoy outdoor activities?
Yes, I love spending time in nature.
What's your favorite outdoor activity?
Probably kayaking on the river.
Have you ever gone kayaking?
Yes, it's so peaceful on the water.
Do you prefer summer or winter?
I enjoy both for different activities.
What's your favorite winter sport?
I love skiing in the mountains.
Have you ever been skiing?
Yes, it's exhilarating going down the slopes.
Do you find skiing difficult?
It can be challenging at first, but it's fun.
What's your favorite summer activity?
Probably swimming in the lake.
Do you swim often?
Yes, I like to swim to cool off.
Have you ever tried surfing?
No, but it's on my bucket list.
What's your dream vacation?
Traveling to explore different cultures.
Have you been to many countries?
A few, but I want to see more.
What's your favorite cuisine?
I love Italian food, especially pasta.
Do you cook often?
Yes, I enjoy trying new recipes.
What's the last dish you cooked?
I made a delicious stir-fry last night.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog named Max.
What breed is Max?
He's a Labrador retriever.
How old is he?
He's 4 years old.
Do you take him for walks?
Yes, we go for walks every day.
What's your favorite thing about him?
His playful personality.
Have you ever adopted a pet?
Yes, I adopted Max from a shelter.
Do you enjoy reading?
Yes, reading is one of my hobbies.
What's the last book you read?
I read The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho.
Did you like it?
Yes, it was very inspiring.
Do you prefer fiction or nonfiction?
I enjoy both, depending on my mood.
What's your favorite genre?
I like mystery novels the most.
Have you ever written a story?
Yes, I've written a few short stories.
What inspires your writing?
Everyday experiences and imagination.